Alright, so we decided to try out this Loona. It's the, the robotic pet dog thing there. So I was going to do a quick little unboxing here. Obviously I've already broken the tops things here, so it's very, very nicely packed. So we're going to get it up out of here. And it's got all these nice instructions here. That's pretty nice, actually. Your smart all-day buddy. Some basic stuff of what it does and advanced features. It's integrated with ChatGPT too, so that's really kind of neat. Yeah. So let's get it open here. Very nice user manual. Yeah, support animal rescue. I like that. It's a good idea. Games prop kit. I wonder what that is. Game ball. Oh, for playing fetch and... Huh. Okay. Oh, that's kind of neat. I'll have to check that out. Very cool. Graphic code. Okay, I didn't know about that. Oh, there we go. All right. Very cool. Very nice looking, actually. It's very heavy, too. Very heavy. It's got a lot of weight to it. Okay. Weird. Yeah, I read something about rubbing its head and its ears too, I think. That's kind of cute. All right, well, let's... Okay, shutting down. Alright, there we go. Obviously the cable, just a USB cable. And there's the charging base. It's very nice looking. I mean, it looks very well made, so. Cool. So yeah, we're gonna get this set up and do a little playtime. But that was just a little quick unboxing there to get it out, see what it's all about. Cool. We're gonna get it set up and do a little playtime and hopefully take some videos of that too, because it looks really cute and kind of fun. So stick around if you want to see what this thing can do, because we're going to do some playing with it. We'll catch you later.